Go to Settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Go to Software Information. Tap 7 times Build Number to enable developer options. Go to Developer Options. Enable OEM unlocking. Turn off your device and hold Volume Up plus Volume Down button. Connect USB cable to PC to reboot your device to download mode. Long press Volume Up to unlock the bootloader. This will wipe your data. The phone is reboot for the initial setup. Enable developer options again. Go to Developer Options and confirm that the OEM unlocking option exists and grayed out. Download and install Samsung USB drivers from website below. Download the latest firmware for your device from Sam Mobile website. For a fast download, you need a premium account. Download and extract Odin from website below. Download the latest Magisk Manager from website below. Install Magisk Manager. Unzip the firmware and copy the APTAR file to your device. Open Magisk Manager. Tap Install. Tap Install again. Tap Select and patch a file and select the AP file. Magisk Manager will patch the whole firmware file and store the output to download folder. Copy the magisk_patched.tar file to your PC. Open Odin. Reboot into download mode. Check if the device is connected. Flash magisk_patched.tar as AP in Odin, together with the BL, CP and home_CSC files. Go in Options and uncheck Auto Reboot. Tap Start to flash Magisk to your device. Press and hold power plus volume down to exit download mode. As soon as the screen turns off, immediately press and hold the volume up plus power button to enter stock recovery. Choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button to wipe the data of the device. Select Reboot System now, and immediately press the volume up plus power button after seeing the bootloader warning screen. Release all buttons so it can boot to the Magisk system. After the device is booted up, install Magisk Manager. Magisk will be disabled when you reboot the device normally. To get into Magisk enabled system, turn off your phone and use volume up plus power buttons to turn on and release it as soon as you see Samsung Galaxy M30s logo. Install Root Checker from Google Play to check the root.